Hello, this is Retro Plus, and today you're going to watch me build my computer. This cost me a lot of money, so I was very nervous while building it. Anyway, I'll shut up now and let you watch me build my computer. So, what should the first thing I put in be?
Maybe CPU. Get the scariest bit, yeah.
Yeah, okay. So,
and it's the most satisfying bit.
oh my god, this is terrifying. I'm already shaking, that's not good. Okay, what's this?
It's best to get out of the way though.
Yeah, true. Okay, I'm taking the seal off. I just reduced the value of this by about £50.
No. Ooh.
Okay, the Intel Core i7.
Ooh.
You can't see it, but yeah.
Wow.
That looks sick. Oh, it's heavy.
Ooh.
It's oddly heavy.
Yeah, I was surprised when I lifted up my
This is a
CPU.
two-handed job.
Yeah.
Oh my god, I'm shaking.
Okay, align it.
Oh. So is it in? That's in. Okay, I gave it a little wiggle, that's in.
Ooh.
I need to look this one up.
LGA.
Help me, Linus.
CPU up with the socket. Usually there will be a triangular arrow
Liney
or dot or
has...
other indicator to help it down to make sure it's seated completely before closing the retention mechanism.
Alright, so you have to jimmy that down a bit. You have to jimmy it.
Jimmy it.
Yeah. Okay, jimmy it. I'm jimmying it. Oh! Did you hear that? Oh my god. Oh.
Is that in?
I fucking hope so. I don't know, it didn't feel good. It didn't feel good.
I don't think it ever feels good.
Well, that's done now, so I think next step is
do a nice easy one like RAM.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Yeah.
The RAM.
Little RAM.
It's heavier than you expect. All these parts are heavier than you expect.
It is.
That's pretty though. I like the look of that.
Yeah, that's gonna
Okay,
look
so
cool.
you have to line it up. You have to do this first. I remember Linus.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's pretty idiot proof.
Yeah. Ooh, I heard that.
No, that wasn't it. that was my heartbeat. Oh my god, this is horrifying.
This is the easiest bit.
No, it's not. Mentally, it's not. None of this is easy. Oh, that's it. That's in. Ooh. That felt nice.
That's satisfying.
Yeah.
Wow. Oh, that's gonna look so good, though.
It is, yeah. Oh.
Ooh. Oh. Ooh.
Alright.
They're so close together.
Yeah, they are.
Wow.
They're very close together. Okay, I think
they're
that's
like
the RAM
hugging. Done. Yeah.
Ooh. SSD.
Yeah, I was gonna say SSD.
Okay, here's the SSD.
Ooh. You need a screwdriver for this. You need screwdrivers.
I'm just gonna get a screwdriver kit.
Okay. Ooh. Ooh. You come, go come.
I'm back.
Hello. What is that?
That's the...
It looks like a drill.
Basically impossible to get these out of the packet without denting the packet in some notable way. So I know this hasn't been opened.
Lefty loosey, righty tighty.
I should have a place to put my screws. Okay, this calculator will work fine.
It looks so white.
Yeah, it is quite white. But it's just the sun, actually.
I was talking about your hand, by the way.
Oh, okay.
Wow. Samsung.
That looks proper.
Yeah.
That's heavy, Jesus. It's not.
There.
It is surprisingly heavy for what you'd expect that all these parts are.
Yeah. You're gonna pick up the power supply and it's gonna be the lightest of them all.
Yeah, that's never a good sign.
Yeah. It's supposed to be like floating a bit.
Fucker.
It's supposed to be floating a bit. I remember when
I haven't watched Linus's guide.
when I put it in, it didn't like. I don't think it felt.
With the
I
razor,
can't
Linus.
I fix a
remember.
jimmy opening tool to gently nudge.
You have to
Too
jimmy
much
it.
force though,
I'm
or too
convinced.
much back and forth, and these can easily snap
Yeah.
off, making for a very difficult repair job.
Ah,
Ah.
that feels more like it.
Oh, nice.
Oh! There we go, that's it.
Yeah, now you have to screw it.
Oh,
Mm-hmm.
oh that's sticky.
Oh, that's
I
that
permanently
one's
stuck
sticky.
it.
Oh no!
That's really sticky, you have to be really
Oh, I
careful.
permanently stuck it.
Okay, I'm gonna have to, like, do this in a smart way. Oh my god! Oh my god!
That was the smartest way.
Like Linus. Linus is probably screaming at me.
Yeah. He senses whenever someone's doing something wrong when building a PC.
What are you doing?
No.
You forgot the wires.
You forgot the thermal paste.
I hope not.
Okay, what's next?
The GPU. No. That's the motherboard stuff done.
Mm-hmm.
Oh no, the cooler.
The cooler. Ooh, let's see this.
Pause. Intel, if you're watching this, your cooler is shit. I struggled for ages to get this thing onto my motherboard and it did not fit because it's such a piece of shit. I hate it. I had to use a Noctua cooler instead, which fit on perfectly, by the way. I can't believe you would include this with your £300 processor. It's awful. It's shit. It's 3 weeks after recording the video, and I've now built my PC, but I could have built it sooner if this cooler fit. I hate you, Intel. I almost broke my motherboard trying to install this cooler. It's really bad. I can't believe it. Why would you do this, Intel? Also, look how little thermal paste is on there. That's not even enough. What is wrong with you? Who thought of this? I can't believe they done this. I hate you, Intel.
Oh my god, that's the cooler.
There's not a lot of thermal paste on this cooler. That's Intel.
That's a thin cooler.
Okay, this is the cooler.
It's cool. It's not that good.
No, it's not at all. It's about enough to make sure that it doesn't go on fire.
Yeah. Oh, that's so.
It's bad.
Yeah.
Intel should be ashamed. And that's
Yeah.
like a tiddlywink of thermal paste.
Does it wiggle?
Well, that's probably not a good sign. That one's not in.
Don't you just screw it in?
No, you push these in.
Oh yeah.
It's like a special mechanism. I don't like it though.
Ooh.
It's all in. They're all in.
It's all in. Okay.
Oh,
So now.
oh the peel. Are you ready for this?
Ooh.
I'm actually going to turn up the sensitivity on the mic for this. So you can get a really good listen to that peel. Hope you're ready for this.
Yeah. Wow.
Was that satisfying?
I didn't hear it.
Okay.
That was probably really nice there.
Was.
Are there more
It wasn't
peel?
that good. It's just like average. Is that everything? Intel cooler installed. That doesn't really feel like it's in, but it is.
It is.
I checked.
Okay.
It just
think-
is that wobbly.
Yeah. Remember to turn it on its side.
Oh yeah, good idea. That's a Linus Tech tip right there.
A Linus Tech tip.
Feel like I should have something here to stop scratches.
Ooh. The white cloth. Ooh.
That belonged to my grandfather.
Wow. Really?
Yeah,
Wow.
using the
That's-
KKK.
I was gonna make a joke about that.
Yeah.
Wow. Passed through generations.
Oh my god, this case is so heavy. I'm not. Oh.
Smashes through your desk. Make sure it doesn't smash into. Ooh. Put the power supply in first, and
No.
then like feed the wires
I
through.
don't listen to you.
No.
Tech support man, what do you know?
I know that PCs need power.
No, they don't. Okay,
Shift it
so I
to
can
the-
just work it in now.
Shift it to the left a bit.
No.
Why?
Oh my god, you just want a good view, don't you?
Yes.
There.
There. That's perfect.
Okay.
Wow.
Good. Right.
Also, is the rigging or whatever it's called on the side where all the ports are?
The what?
The metal plate.
Yeah, that's
Oh.
on.
Oh, okay, good. Is it on properly there?
Yeah, that's pre-applied from the factory.
Oh, cool. Fancy.
So that means a slave labor child did that for me. Thank
Oh,
you, Quan John.
Quan John, the child. Need a floodlight.
Yeah, I do actually. That'd be great.
Ooh.
It's like impregnating a horse.
Hmm?
It's a bit like impregnating a horse.
Yeah, exactly.
That's what PC building is like.
Impregnating a horse.
You dig around and then you hear a click and you get scared.
Yeah.
Wait, what the fuck?
What?
I don't mean impregnating.
Yeah, I was wondering what do you mean by impregnating a horse?
I mean, I don't know what I mean. That thing they do to get the baby out of the horse.
Oh. Impregnating a horse.
Depregnating, I suppose.
Depregnating a horse. Yeah.
Not impregnating it, that's like bestiality.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good enough.
Ooh. Nice. Wait, my microphone. Good.
Yeah, the motherboard's solid, so that's good.
Is it in?
You tell me. I can't see on that side.
Now you need to put the GPU in.
Nope,
Nope. Why?
not yet.
What, you want to put the power supply
Yeah.
in? Oh, okay. You need to plug in the cables for the power button
Yeah,
and
the front
stuff.
panel buttons, that's what it was.
Yeah.
There's a lot of cables.
That one's can be confusing. Ooh, wow.
Yeah.
Ooh,
There's a lot of cables and stuff.
see through. Wow.
Yeah. This is what the back of the processor looks like.
Wow.
Which looks. I think
Looks
these are in.
cool.
Oh my god, I touched it.
No. When are you gonna put the power supply in?
Oh yeah, that's what I'm doing next.
Okay.
Give me a second, I'm gonna get my duster.
What?
The dog just came out.
The dog came.
Someone's entire dog.
Oh wow.
Oh my god!
What? The camera.
Wait, my £6 webcam.
No.
Linus, help me.
At your service.
Linus, at your service.
Trying to move this to the left, but it's not moving.
No.
Oh! It moved!
Ooh.
Okay, good. It's just like impregnating a wall.
What?
They
Yummy.
included a snack.
Yummy, yes.
You can
Hey.
actually, you can eat them.
Oh, thank you.
You can have them.
I'll eat them.
It's not that heavy, surprisingly. Which is
Just-
actually, yeah, I
That's
was
just
joking
what
about.
I was saying.
We were joking about that, and it's actually one of the lighter parts.
Wow.
Oh my god, there's a Chinese man in this box.
There's a Chinese man in the box.
There's a small Chinese man in this box.
Very small Chinese man.
This is,
Yeah,
this
Get
is cool.
get the small Chinese man to help you.
No, he's already crawled away, like the
Oh.
one, the small brown stain.
Oh yeah. He like went under some furniture,
Yeah,
never to be seen again.
nice.
One week later.
And that that was it. This has been Retro Plus, and that was my gaming computer. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.